Let's explore ARR carbon credits, a powerful solution at the intersection of climate action and investment. ARR carbon credits are creating a climate revolution, and a new green gold rush has begun. ARR stands for Afforestation, Reforestation, and Revegetation, powerful tools to regenerate the planet. ARR restores ecosystems, removes CO2, and uplifts local communities, all in one project. Tech giants like Microsoft and Google are investing billions into ARR carbon removals. Demand is soaring, but supply is tight. High-quality ARR credits are hard to find and slow to grow. It's not just about carbon. It's about biodiversity, clean water, and long-term impact. We build transparent, nature-first ARR projects with data, trust, and resilience at the core.